Today we are solving set add. It's a Python challenge on HackerRank about the add method for sets. We can use the add method to add elements into a set. When we perform that, we get none as the return value. So if we have a set made up of characters from the string HackerRank and we try to add capital H, when we print the set, we still get the unique values for HackerRank because a set does not contain any duplicates. But if we try to add the full string HackerRank inside of the previous sets, then we're going to have the characters from the initial string, and then we're going to have HackerRank here as a string on its own within the elements of the sets. So this is not a duplicate, and that's fine. So we need to use this knowledge to solve the question here in this HackerRank problem. Rupal has a collection of stamps, and we need to count the total number of distinct stamps in the collection. So we need to pick the stamps one by one from a stack of n country stamps. So what we have to return is the total number of distinct country stamps. This is the example they provide us. If we have a stack of stamps, 7 stamps here, the country UK is duplicated. It appears here and then also here. And France also appears twice, here and in this last position. So we have 5 distinct country stamps here for a total of 7 stamps. So we need to return 5 as an integer. For this Python HackerRank challenge, you need to write the full code yourself. So now I've just pasted my solution. So first I get the value for n, which is the number of stamps in the collection. I cast it to an integer. Then I create an empty list called countries. And then I add the countries for the stamps to populate my list here. So I loop n times, and at every iteration, I grab some input for the country and I add it to my list. Definitely, this list is going to contain some duplicates. We don't know how many duplicates, but this is part of the challenge. So we can then create a set from this list. This is going to give us the list of distinct countries inside of this initial list because the set does not contain duplicates. So now that we have the distinct countries, we can then grab the length of that list, and this length corresponds to the total number of distinct country stamps. So the only thing to do now is to print this number. And that's all for this Python challenge. Let's run this code. We've passed the first test case. We get the same result as they did. So now let's submit it. And we've passed all the test cases. So that was it for set add. That was for the add method in Python. If you like my Python videos and you want more HackerRank solutions and tutorials, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.